Another way to let users choose from a predefined set of options is by using radio buttons. Let's ask the user how they prefer to be contacted. So label with a class label, contact method. And let's group our options together with a div. And now input type radio with an ID email, name, contact method, and value email. We also have to add a label for this input, label with a class label for email, email. So another input of type radio, ID, phone, name, contact method, and value phone. And label will be for phone, phone. With this setup, the user can select either email or phone as their preferred contact method. Notice that both radio buttons share the same name attribute, contact method. This makes them part of the same radio group, meaning only one option can be selected at a time. Now, let's adjust the label style to make it look less bold. So class label radio, font size small. And let's apply this class to both labels instead of a label class. We should provide a field for user to input their email address now. So label with a class label for email, email, and input type email with an ID email, name email, class input, and let's also add a placeholder, enter your email. The type email ensures that the input field will only accept valid email addresses. Try it out. If you type something like hello, it will trigger an error. To sum up, use the input type radio element to allow users to select only one option from a predefined set. Group radio buttons by using the same name attribute to ensure only one option is selected. Use type email input to validate email addresses.